Do you want a nice and easy to use web client for Instagram? Let me show you. Hello guys, now I'm going to show you a web client for Instagram. It is one of the best web client for Instagram and I'm sure that you guys will like it. First, you must have a Chrome browser here, and then go to Google and go to Chrome extension or Chrome Web Store. Okay, you go to Chrome Web Store and search for Insist, INSSIST, Insist. Alright, so click here, Insist, then add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, now you can see it is already installed here, and you just need to pin it first to make it easy, and then click this extension here, Instagram Assistant. Okay, now this is the interface front. Okay, you can see here this is called Instagram Assistant or Insist. This is your personal Instagram assistant for browser. You can post, download photos, videos, IGTV stories, and send DMs. And you can also schedule post videos, carousel automatically. And you can also monitor unfollowers, export followers, gain insight, competitors, get text suggestions, and more. Alright, let's take a look. Click here. Let's go. And you need to log in to your Instagram. Alright, I'm going to enter first, login to your Instagram. Alright, click login. Okay, now you can see this is the design, the interface of this Insist. Okay, you can see it is very much like Instagram on your phone. You can have home here, search button, and this button, and you can see activities and your profile. Okay, let's take a look at functions here. Now you can see this is go back functions if you want to go back to where you were before. Okay, and for this one, refresh button if you want to refresh. Okay, you can see here you can refresh. And for this button and this button, you can go to widescreen, which is much bigger screen. And if you don't like this screen, small screen here, you can press this button. Now you can see this is much more bigger screen, and I think this one is much better. And for this button, you can go to light version if you want, or you can go to dark version, but I am much prefer to dark version. Okay, and for this one, Zen mode, which is if you press this, you can see here. Now you can see the difference, which is less distraction. Okay, you can see less distraction. If you off this, you can see here a little bit distraction. If you like this one, just stay with this one. If you like for less more distraction, you can click this button. And for your information, this is button for pro version, but for the first time you can get it for free if you first time install this extension. Okay, let's take a look. Next, here we can see direct message. If you press this, you can see a message in your Instagram message. Okay, you can send message here if you want. You can check message, and they also have ghost mode. If you take this one, a ghost mode, which which is the message you read won't be marked as seen, and other users won't know that you read their message. So if you prefer this one, just pick this ghost mode. Okay, next let's take a look at this one. This is post assistant, which is you can schedule your posts. Okay, first take a look at this one, plan. Okay, for this one, this is where you can schedule your posts, post carousel, select cover for videos and more. So you must sign into your Facebook first. Okay, let's try login first. Right. Okay, alright. Now you can see you already log in. I already log in to my Facebook here. Okay, now you can see you can create a post here. This is where you write your caption and location if you want to, and this is where you can add your content, photos that you like. And this button, post to Facebook, if you want it to post into your Facebook also, you can just, you need to put something first. Okay, if let's say like if you already add content and add this caption, you can tick this one. Okay, and you can publish it. If you can publish now, save as draft, and schedule. If you tick schedule, you can choose which time you want to schedule here. For now, you can see time to publish: morning, midday, evening, and you can create your own custom schedule time. Okay, for this advanced setting, okay, you can turn off comments if you want. Just tick this one if you want it to turn off. Okay, for alt text here, you can write your alt text here if you want. Okay, and then for this one, calendar, you can see your schedule posts. When you post your photos or videos on Instagram, you can see here today or next in this for this month. Okay, for this time slot, this is where time for your schedule, which is you want to post your photos and videos. You can also create your own time slot here if you want. Okay, for this one, and click this. Okay, this one is for insights, collect info on any public Instagram accounts. This is where you can collect some information, which is posting hours, hashtag, post performance, followers, and following list. So you can put username, how many followers you want to scan, and following to scan, and click start here. And for this one, okay, you can analytics, you can scan your account periodically to check who has followed you and unfollowed you. Okay, you can check now if you want to check. It is take a bit time here if you have a lot of followers, and you can see that if you have some unfollowers here, they will exist here. You can see here new followers also, you can see here. Okay, this one just like before. Okay, this one takes a bit time here, never mind, you can explore it. Okay, here and then. Alright, and for this one, you can see what's new, which is you can see what updates they have. Okay, when they fix something, you can see here in this insist extension. Alright, and then for this one, you can see here this is freemium, which is you can also use it for free, and they also have pro version. Okay, for pro version, it's only $4.99 per month. If you upgrade for Pro version, you can see here you can get advanced DMs and custom covers and more scheduling, bug schedule, carousels, and more analytic and insights, and also multi-account. You can connect to multiple account and Zen mode account. So this is only for $4.99 per month. Okay, for the first time you can see you can use some pro features if you install it for the first. That's all guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. See you again.